I'm Kyle with Paul C. Buff, and today we're going to be walking you through the brand new CST3 Cybersync Transmitter. The new CST3 Cybersync Transmitter features an internal battery with USB-C charging, a battery life of 35 plus hours for continuous use when shooting on minimum screen brightness, and a range of approximately 350 feet. The CST3 ships complete with a startup card, a USB-A to USB-C cord, and the unit itself. The CST3 is designed to fit into your hot shoe with the power and test buttons facing you and the USB-C and sync ports facing down the lens. The CST3 has two ports. You have a sync port and a USB-C port. You will notice that there are 5 buttons and a small screen. The first button will be the power button, and this will turn on your unit. The menu button will cycle you through 3 screens. The first screen is battery life and frequency. There are 4 bars in the battery icon. The number of bars in the battery icon indicate the level of charge for your battery. Frequency can be adjusted with the up or down directional arrows. The second screen will be your sleep timer. Using the directional arrows, you can set the number of minutes that you would like your unit to remain active when idle. The final screen is screen brightness. Using the directional arrows, you can adjust how bright you would like the numbers on your screen to appear. The final button is the test button. When pressed, this will activate your flash units. If you have any more questions about your new Cybersync transmitter, please feel free to email our customer service at info@paulcbuff.com or give us a call between the hours of 9 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Central Time at 1-800-443-5542.